What is up, everyone? Today we're gonna unbox these Matchbox. We got a Cadillac, a Plymouth, and a Jeep. So let's get into it and check these out. We'll go first with the Jeep. This is a very beautiful Jeep. It's from the construction MBX construction set or series. It's a 51 Willys Jeep pickup 4x4 in a very beautiful yellow, light yellow color. So let's check it out. Matchbox did it again. So we got headlights painted on, very cool. We got that grill also painted on there. We got the chrome color bottom. So the wheels look pretty cool. It goes with the Jeep. And the bed is in black, and interior is also in black. So very cool. Hope you guys like that one. Let's go with the next one. Let's go with the Plymouth. Here is a 33 Plymouth PC sedan in a police form. So this is the police edition or the police version. Very cool Plymouth. It has Metro City number 3. It's Metro City Police, and this is Unit 3. It has police right there on the hood. It has light blue windshields and black interior. We have a wheel on the back and the traditional wheels of the police. So this one is also very cool. Thought it was a very nice casting. The bottom is also in chrome. Don't know if it's also metal or if it's plastic, but there it is. So, and the last one is this pink 55 Cadillac Fleetwood. Thought this was a very beautiful car, and this one's from the road trip series or the set. The Plymouth, I didn't get to that one. The Plymouth is on the rescue set. So yep, let's check the Cadillac. This is a very beautiful Cadillac. I like the pink color. It has the lights, the rear lights and the front headlights painted on there. You got the Cadillac logo on the hood, the front of the hood. We got a little bit of chrome with a little bit of pink popping out, and those on the grill has like these little like horns, or I don't know what you would call them, but it distinguishes the Cadillac. We got a license plate there, very cool. Gray roof, very beautiful casting. Interior, I can't tell. I want to say it's like in a dark purple, but I can't really tell. But there it is. Also, chrome bottom, very cool. Those wheels look sweet on this Cadillac. So that's that. These are 3 Matchbox pieces that I found that were beautiful and worth having in the collection. So picked them up, and there they are. So we got the Plymouth, Cadillac, and the Jeep. Very cool. Very cool. Hope you guys like these 3 for today. Hopefully get to see you in another video in the future. Have a great day. Good luck collecting, or good luck hunting, and have a good one, y'all. Peace.